All right, thinking about hitting an ATV in Bali? Let's check out one of the coolest private treks out there.
This one's from All New Bali Adventure. So what's all the buzz about? Let's dive in. First up, location. It's just 35 minutes from Ubud, so it's super easy to get to. Okay, check this out. A full 75-minute ride. And the whole thing is private, no interruptions.
And look at this route. You'll go through everything from peaceful rice fields to messy mud tracks.
But the real highlight, you get to ride right into this epic Lion Cave. How cool is that?
Plus, you'll feel the waterfall splash and get totally muddy. It's all about pure, messy fun.
And the ATVs? They're powerful 350cc machines, built to handle absolutely any terrain you throw at them.
So what does fully private actually mean? No crossing main roads, no public traffic, just you.
And that's a huge deal for safety compared to other tours sharing the road with regular traffic.
Okay, so how do you get there? Well, you've got three main options to choose from.
But if you want things to be super easy, they really recommend their private hotel transfer.
Yeah, choosing this means no stress. Just a private car, an English-speaking driver, the works.
And get this, you can even add free stopovers. Turn it into a whole custom day trip.
So, is this adventure actually right for you? Let's break down who this is perfect for.
Basically, it's great for everyone. Safe for first-timers, but still a total blast for experienced riders.
So yeah, it's popular for a reason. Amazing photo ops, a safe private route, and awesome machines.
So, the only question left is, are you ready to ride straight into the lion's mouth?
Ready for your adventure? Head to BaliATVtour.com or simply message us on WhatsApp at +62 878 6196 8073. Once again +62 878 6196 8073. Thank you for watching. See you in Bali.